Today I'm going to show you how to do rebatching, okay? So basically, this is a mistake that I made. Everything measured out correctly, but I actually did not blend the oil, the oil and lye together to trace. And it's been a week already, and the lye is still soft. This one is still soft. The charcoal part is still soft. It's part of the coconut oil that I made. So right now, it's gluey. Okay, I can feel the oil. So what I do now is I'm gonna make a rebatch using the crock pot right here. But you can't just use like this. It's gonna take a long time for the crock pot to melt everything. So what you do is you grate it, okay, carefully, of course. Don't grate your hand and finger, okay. So I'll do that. Then I'm gonna put it in the crock pot, okay, to melt everything on high. Then I'm gonna mix it up again and unmold it again, okay. So that's one way you can do it. The other way is you use a double boiler, but that's too messy. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the whole process. Don't make my mistake again. Make sure you thick blend it to trace before you pour it out. Everything's works fine, except this one's really hard, this one's soft. Look at this, it's oily. It's gonna take a little while to manually grate this, but I'll do it. You gotta do what you have to do, right? I'll grate this and I'll come back to show you guys, okay? Yeah, it wasn't pretty, so see that? I scooped up nearly everything, but I still have some here. It's ugly, okay? So I'll show you guys, I'll clean this up and I'll show you guys what's inside. I'll just get a bigger, better picture, but it's not looking good, okay? Okay, this I've grated everything, put it in the crock pot on high. Okay, so I'll show you the what's in here. Have to clean everything. The scooper, look at that. Okay. Basically, the black part is it's like gel, like very runny. So I'm gonna wait now to melt everything. So the waiting game begins. Okay, look at that. Okay, that is the consistency of it's been 1 week already, and that's the consistency that I got from the soap. Make sure when you do this, make sure you stick blend it to trace, light trace minimum. I didn't stick blend it to trace. Gonna leave it now here for now. I check up on it half an hour time and see how it goes. If it's melt or not. I'll keep an eye on it. It's just through the glass. Have to seal it, otherwise the air escape. The heat escape, I mean. Walk away, have a look in half an hour, and we go from there. Some people use a microwave, but it might bubble up really fast, so do this method. It's probably the easiest. Yeah, you can do it, okay? So you have a crock pot, do it this way. Otherwise use a double boiler. A double boiler, basically you use a pot, okay? And you put a mason jar in here. Boiling water, mason jar. And that's how you do it, okay? This has melted everything. So just pour it out, check how it looks for you. Basically, this has melted already. I'll show you. Okay, now I see the problem is, okay, so you still can see the oil and I turned it back to low, just in case you want to know. Okay, so it's like that right now. Okay, I have checked my recipe, and the super fat that I use is 20%, and yeah, you can see here it's a bit oily. See there, right? So usually I don't recommend this, but I have to put more lye into here. Okay, so I'm gonna make it into more usable soap. So there's a lot of water still, a lot of oil melting. So I'm gonna use more lye to turn this into soap again. Double check with your recipe. Otherwise, you know, it could be a problem. Okay, right now it's not light is not active, but yeah. So I'm gonna close the lid. Gonna make my light now, and I'll come back to you guys. Okay. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so right now it's like this, right? Okay, it's not gonna melt everything back to, because I still have some soap. So that is the consistency. Okay, now I'm going to add in more of the, I still have glove on, okay, because I'm going to use lye. I'm going to add in the lye now, melted everything ready, the lye. So I'll switch it around. So this is the lye solution, okay. A little bit of water just to activate again. Hopefully it can melt back again. Finger crossed. Keep stirring it. Got to pour out now, otherwise we get too hard of a soap. Check the temperature, 100 degrees, so it's very hot. Yeah, slowly scoop it out. It's not going, won't be pretty, okay? So this is Rebatch. Hopefully, we now have a soap, a hard soap. Still oily. Hopefully we fix it, and we have soap. Because with this ingredient, I put it super fat at 20%. So, but I didn't blend it initially. Some of it, not all, but some of it I didn't blend fully. And let it cool down naturally, and hopefully we have hard soap. Okay, that's how you rebatch. Hopefully I did it right and get it right. I'll post a video as well to let you guys know how this goes. Okay, I'll see you next time with another video. Okay, bye.